All right, this is lesson 6, sorry. Chance experiments with outcomes that are not equally likely. For this, if you miss, you're going to have to do this at home with maybe a paper cup. The sample space for the paper cup toss was on its side, right side up, and upside down. The outcomes for an experiment are equally likely to occur when the probability of each outcome is equal. Toss a paper cup or a plastic cup 30 times and record it in a table the results of each toss. And here's where you would record it, right in here. Okay? So next, you would answer these questions using the results of the experiment, and you would answer the results from 1 through 4. So then we would start with question number 5. And for that one, it says, using the spinner below, answer the following questions. Are the events spinning and landing on 1 or 2 equally likely? The answer is yes. Section 1 and 2 are equal. Says, are the events spinning and landing on 2 or 3 equally likely? No. Section 3 is larger. So then next it says, how many times do you predict the spinner will land on each section after 100 spins? Well, in section 1, because it's 1/4, we would spin 1/4 times 100 would be 25 times. Section 2 would be 1/4. Would be 1/4 times 100, and that would be 25 times. And then section 3 would be 1/2. Would be 1/2 times 100, and that would be 50 times. Okay. Number 6 says, draw a spinner that has 3 sections that are equally likely to occur when the spinner is spun. How many times do you think the spinner will land on each section after 100 spins? Well, if I draw that, and forgive me if I don't draw a perfect circle, but it's going to be cool. Well, that's not too bad. And then I draw 3 equal sections, here to the middle, here, and hopefully I drew it right. And we drew, oh, well, a little off. About there. So about 100 times, I would have be, say, 1/3 times 100 would equal 33.3 repeating. So it would be about 33 times. And that is the end of our lesson for today.